Welcome to TPM Vid's Disney Beat Spotlight Series, where we take a look at a specific Disney-related ride, event, or performance. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. We also have Instagram and Twitter. You can find us at TPM Videos. Seeing a ride at one of the Disney theme parks malfunctioning and breaking down always gives you a unique perspective on that attraction. Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run is the new ride in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, where you get to fly the Millennium Falcon. This simulator-based experience contains interactive elements, so the graphics are always rendered in real time. At the end of the ride, Chewbacca remotely pilots the Falcon into the docking bay, and this is how the sequence normally goes.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You'll retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
Well, on June 6, 2019, Jamie over at Jamie Scout on Instagram caught the ride malfunctioning on camera and sent it our way. It happened just before Hondo says that Chewie will be piloting the ship in. The ride glitched out of the normal display, and Jamie was quick to turn on her camera and capture this footage here. So take a look.
Left, right.
I can tell you this is my 3rd time doing this, and this has never happened.
Oh, really?
I don't know what's going
That's so
on.
funny. We crashed too much. So now we're somewhere we don't even know.
Oh, wait, reset. Oh, that's awkward.
What happened?
I should probably do it again just to
I know,
get the full
huh?
experience. I think this is somebody's computer desktop.
Exactly.
Yeah. Let's just get out and take the dirt road.
Walk.
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Oh, did we?
What in the world? Okay, well, come on out.
Even though there isn't much to this ride breaking down, it's kinda strange that the ride defaults to an open field and dirt road with floating rocks during a malfunction. It's also really interesting how quiet the cockpit is without proper show elements running. Only a few sound effects were still audible, plus 1 line of Hondo's dialogue. This is what you'd normally hear during a regular flight.
R5, damage report.
That's awkward.
What happened?
I should probably do it again just to
I know,
get the full
huh?
experience.
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Oh, did we?
Now, although this run with flying the Millennium Falcon didn't offer the full experience, once they exited the cockpit, they were able to go on Smuggler's Run again. So in the end, they ended up getting the full experience. A big thank you again to Jamie for sending in this malfunction. So have you ever broken down or experienced a malfunction on a Disney ride? What was that experience like? I'd love to know. Leave a comment down below to start a conversation, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you have any videos from the Disney parks that you'd like to share with us to be used in future videos, follow the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Click the TPM icon on the screen to subscribe to this channel, and check out some of these other videos which we're sure you'll like.